Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So this is a video for a requested video to do a recipe about mango punch. Yeah, so this is my version of the mango punch. I have here, this is 6 ounces of coconut water. I bought this brand in the grocery store, but you can use whatever coconut water you have. If you got fresh coconut water, better yet, right? This here is mango puree. That's about 2 ounces of mango puree, and I have some lime juice. That's all. This is just basically serving for one person. I will drink all of this. It's not much, not much. Okay, so let me show you what I have to do. Just put everything together, and that's it. So let me show you how it's done. So I'm just gonna pour in the mango puree into the cup. I'm just using this measuring cup to measure everything together. Add the coconut water. And just some lime juice. I'm going to mix everything together. And it's ready to be served. There you have it, folks. Mango punch already. Delicious. I got a big chunk of mango in there. Better yet for me. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.